What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. It is time. The Holochain. Wow, the Holochain is start explosion and the price is going positive, my friends. The every change is going positive. That's really a good news video for all Holo holders. So, my friends, first of all, I really request everyone to please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, you can see here that now the last hour, 1 day, last 1 week price changes of the Holochain is going positive. So that's why I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very excited for a Holochain, my friends. Absolutely a massive gains over by Holochain at the end of June, and absolutely in the July month they will take a huge pump. Believe me, my friends. Before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, like this video, my friends. My friends, this time the latest price of the Holochain is 0.006178 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Holochain, and 75 is the market rank of the Holochain. Absolutely, now this time the market of the Holochain is going good. Oh my goodness, my friends, that is the last 3-month price chart of the Holochain, and from the previous 3 months the price of Holochain is completely going down, completely falls down occur in the Holochain. It's really bad news for all the Holochain holders, my friends. Really bad news, my friends. So now in the end of June, my friends, the Holochain start explosion. Absolutely, my friends, my technical analysis, my price prediction, my research tell us about Holo that they will continue this pump for long term. That will give you good amount of profit in the last of July. In the last half of July, it is the end of June, so in the beginning of the July, they start an explosion, they start a pumping, and absolutely they continue this pump for long term. To the last half July, they continue this pump. So absolutely, if they continue this pump for 1 month, so that will make you millionaire, my friends. Really, congratulations to all Holochain holders. At this time, the prices start increasing, so absolutely very soon that will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.